Healing anxious attachment is often misunderstood. It's not about becoming independent to the point of emotional distance. It's not about needing less love. And it's not about shutting your heart down. Healing anxious attachment is about learning self-trust and regulation, so connection no longer feels fragile. Anxious attachment often gets stuck in a loop. Connection feels uncertain. Anxiety rises. Reassurance is sought. Temporary relief occurs, and uncertainty returns. This loop trains the nervous system to believe that peace comes from someone else's response. That's not security. That's dependence on relief. Security isn't detachment, it's self-trust. Healing anxious attachment does not mean becoming emotionally unavailable, pretending you don't care, or suppressing your needs. It heals by learning to stay connected without abandoning yourself. Healing looks like noticing anxiety without acting on it, regulating your body before seeking reassurance, and trusting patterns over promises. This doesn't remove your desire for closeness. It stabilizes it. If you identify as anxious, preoccupied, you don't need to become less loving. You need to become less afraid that love will disappear. That fear was learned, and what's learned can be unlearned. Healing accelerates when partner choice changes. Secure partners communicate clearly, follow through, and don't punish needs with distance. Your nervous system learns safety through experience. Anxious attachment explains why closeness feels vital, but healing is choosing responses that honor both connection and self-respect. You don't need to try harder to be loved. You need to feel safer being you. Anxious attachment isn't something to get rid of. It's something to care for. Thank you for walking through this series with me. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share to support our channel's growth.